humble beginning turned into a leading name, and now Innovative Engineers is India's fastest growing HVAC company. Our journey started in 2012 in the industrial hub of India, Ahmedabad, with the noble purpose of giving back to society. It has been successful because of our belief in innovation and ethics. As per our name, Innovative Engineers, we, the trio of innovative engineers, entered the market to make industrial environment cleaner and comfortable with our best engineering and unmatchable project management skills. Giving peace of mind to our clients and the people who work with us is our prime objective. We started with just one client, and now we have accomplished more than 100 turnkey projects on national and international levels in India, Nepal, and Tanzania as well. With a team of more than 50 plus passionate engineers having 20 plus years of experience of management. With the efforts of all the young minds collectively, we are an exceptional end-to-end solutions provider to diversified sectors like the pharmaceutical segment, which includes R&D facilities, API, OSD, injectable, animal vaccination, biotech, and many more. Industrial segments, which includes automobiles, chemical, polymer, textile, and more. VRV segment, which includes hospitals, corporate offices, research and CRO centers, etc. We significantly rule the pharma industry with our innovative and highly efficient HVAC and BMS systems, and are number one in Gujarat. Recently, we have set up an entire HVAC systems for Punishka Healthcare in the vast space of 150,000 square feet in just 6 months with our unmatchable expertise. Our infrastructure, well-organized staff hierarchy, and support and innovation of top management in every stage are success enigmas which set us apart. We have been offering comprehensive services in designing, system engineering, supply, installation, testing, and commissioning of HVAC systems. We ensure stringent documentation with well-documented systems and SOPs for multiple stages. Our built facilities ensure that our clients get regulatory approvals like US FDA, MHRA, TGA, and GMP. Our accurate process involves explicit conceptualization according to the plant, understanding user requirements specification, efficient system designing, proper execution, assuring the safety standards, well-organized qualification document with required details and validation. Sun Pharma, Cadila Pharmaceuticals, Alembic Pharmaceuticals, Intas Pharmaceuticals, Unison Pharmaceuticals, Hester Biocides, Zydus Cadila, and other pharma industry giants are our loyal clients. Besides this, Maruti Suzuki, Excite Industries, Amcor Flexibles, Zanini Auto Group, HCG Hospital, etc. are some of the prestigious clients under the industrial and VRV segment. Innovative Engineers, we provide comfort with innovation.